Hello there. Today I have an amazing story for you. It's not for you for listening, it's also for inspiring you. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a man named Tim who dreamed of becoming a famous chef. However, his journey was anything but easy. He started working in a small restaurant where the kitchen was always hot and messy, and his boss was constantly shouting at him. One day, he accidentally dropped a whole tray of food in front of a customer. The customer was furious, and Tim thought he might get fired. But instead of quitting, Tim remembered his dream. He thought, I can't let this stop me. I'll keep going no matter how mistakes I make. So he cleaned up the mess and apologized to the customer. His boss noticed how determined Tim was. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Tim faced more obstacles. The stove broke, his knife slipped, and once his signature dish was burned to a crisp. But he kept going. Every time he failed, he learned something new. He studied recipes, practiced his knife skills, and improved his cooking techniques. And eventually, one day, after many years of hard work, Tim opened his own restaurant. The first night was a huge success for him, with customers praising his food. He made it. Tim looked back on his journey and smiled. It wasn't easy, but every obstacle he faced had made him stronger. He had stayed focused and motivated, and it paid off. So, the lesson Tim learned and now share with others is this: no matter how many obstacles you face, no matter how many problems you face, if you stay focused and keep going, you will reach your goal. So, the moral of the story is success isn't about never failing, it's about learning from those failures and staying determined. So thanks a lot guys for listening to me. If you have listened me at the very end, so please like it and share my video as much as you can. And yes, there are some words which are vocabulary words, so let's talk about them. The first one is furious. The customer was furious. If you have listened to it, furious means angry. Then the next word is quitting. Quitting means like we are going to give up or we are going to leave any kind of job, means we are going to stop something. सो गाइज लास्टली मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे टिम ने अपने फेलियर्स से सीखा है, जैसे भी उसने गिर गिर कर उठना सीखा है, वैसे आपको भी गिर गिर कर उठना सीखना है। लाइक आपको डिटर्मिनेशन और फोकस के साथ अपने कदम आगे बढ़ाते जाने हैं, तभी आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ कर सकते हो। वरना आजकल लोग डीमोटिवेट करने के लिए तो बहुत मिलेंगे, बट मोटिवेशन 90% लोगों में से सिर्फ 2% लोग ही दे सकते हैं, उसके अलावा कोई नहीं, बाकी सब डीमोटिवेट ही करेंगे। सो स्टे मोटिवेटेड, एंड इफ़ यू वाना stay motivated for always, so please subscribe my channel because I am going to post a lot of videos related to study and staying motivated and focused. So thank you for today. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like it, so please give me a thumbs up and share my video and share my channel and subscribe it, and share this video as much as you can as a moral or as any kind of point which should be for you. Thank you. and follow for more.